Wagwan everyone, welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today's video isn't about cooking, it's about something much bigger, something that hits home for me personally. So Jamaica, our island, our paradise, was hit hard by Hurricane Melissa, one of the most powerful storms to ever pass through the Caribbean in recent years. And while I might live abroad now, my heart has never left home. My parish, Hanover, and so many across Jamaica are suffering right now. Parishes like Westmoreland, Trelawney, Montego Bay, St. James, and in place there. Everybody I feel it right now. Hurricane Melissa brought days of rain, 150 miles per hour winds, and massive flooding that washed away roads, houses, and livelihoods. Entire communities have been left in darkness. Them have no power, no clean water, no food, and no sense of security. Families lost everything. Roofs torn off, the crops destroyed, livestock. People are trying to rebuild with nothing but faith and determination right now. And that's not a good thing. I'm not gonna lie guys, it's hard to watch these videos and not feel emotional because this isn't just news. This is, real life. These are real people, or people, Jamaicans. I am a Jamaican, so I feel it to the core.
I'm in front of my gate that. Jesus have mercy, God. Look on the road. I rode that now. I rode that people for Burton.
I was born and raised in Jamaica, right in Hanover, to be exact. Everything, I've become today as a chef, a creator, a person, a human being, started there. So when I see my community and my people struggling, I can't just sit back and watch from a distance. That's why I decided to start this Hurricane Melissa relief fund. This is a private relief fund that I started. This is not through the government or anything. And this is going to help bring food, water, and essentials, to families that are affected in my community. In some parts of the island right now, homes are completely gone. Children are sleeping in shelters. Elders are without medicine. And farmers have lost months of work. Imagine if you're like a diabetic person and you don't have no medication. What are you going to do? This storm didn't really just destroy the buildings. It shook lives, hopes, and a lot of dreams. Trust me. But one thing I know about Jamaicans, we're strong. We rise again every single time. So with that being said, I'm asking for your help. If you can, please donate, share, or spread the word. Every single dollar will go directly, guys, towards, food. So the food, may include like stuff like rice, flour, canned goods, ramen noodles, non-perishable items, and hygiene items, soap, deodorant, toothpaste, sanitary napkins, water, and cleaning supplies, stuff like that. And, if we do get to that amount of money that are donated, we can help with some rebuilding of the home structures as well. But, we're just going to take it one step at a time and focus mainly on getting food and cleaning products and stuff like that first. So like I said, guys, if you'd like to help, you can donate safely through the link in the description of this video. There's no set amount that you have to, make. You can even if it's just $5 or $1, 10 cents, whatever it is, that can feed a family for a day or provide clean water, that they need most. Jamaica has always been about strength, unity, happiness, and love. Through every storm, we'll find our way back to sunshine. We may be hurting now, guys, but we will rebuild again, stronger, wiser, better, and together. To everyone back home, stay strong, and everyone watching around the world, thank you for caring, thank you for giving, and thank you for standing with Jamaica. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.